50. Brand new chopper, got double D titties. Niggas don't play me, I don't get silly. Love all the beats like a Southwest Philly. Yeah, love all the beat like a Southwest Philly. Yeah, hey, like love all the beat like a Southwest Philly.
Put 'em with the Glocks out, red dots out, pull them mops out, and the chops out, mix it out, go all out. When we back out, that's a blackout. Shooters on go, they don't clock out. That's a man down, we don't rain down, we don't play around. You can lay down, you gon' stay down. Don't shake now, get slain now. You erase now, leave face down on the playground.
I'm sneaked up like a blind man. I'm super hot like a frying pan. He say that he gon' take stuff from me. Ain't just know he lying, man. I'ma up from a hip, then blow like a whistle. Your bitch suck a dick like a Kool-Aid pill. Two bullets in your chest, that's a nipple. And if a nigga run up, I'ma pop it like a pill.
At the party, fuck around, pussy boy, and you get burnt. Acting up, you acting up, you fuck around, you get murked. Nigga, bitches, I did it. So bitch, I'm with it. I get it. Said you fit it. I did it. Yo, I did it. Yo, he wanted beef in the parking lot. My niggas dogs and we park a lot. All of my choppers, they park a lot. I'll be your ass, I don't care. It's dark enough.
I can't see the bullshit like Ray Charles. Y'all niggas fit like James Charles. And a train on your sister like a freight car. And a dick same size as my AR. Red car playing with the kitty, my nigga. I mean for real, my nigga. I mean the top. I hold 150 bullets, my nigga. If you want pull up, my nigga, then we can do it, my nigga. I mean the hook. That nigga pull up, he thought we gon' fist fight. Lil' D, know I keep it strapped like a jazz. Like suicide door, my whips on my wrist like that's Lil' Tucky out, Johnny with the right.
Yo, I did it. Nigga, bitches, I get it.